In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add more assets to your Google Ads campaigns. First, go to ads.google.com and log into your Google Ads account. Next, navigate to the left sidebar and make sure the Campaigns tab is selected. Now, in the Campaign settings, click and expand the Assets option and select Assets from the dropdown. Then, under the Associations tab, you'll see all the assets listed as different buttons. Now, choose the campaign you want to add the assets to. Then you can add any asset you want to the selected campaign. For example, let's add a headline asset. Just select the Headline button. You can see there are no headline assets set previously. To add an asset, click the plus icon. Then just enter the headline you want and click Save. And you can see the headline asset appeared. The process is the same for all of the assets. Click the Asset button, click the plus icon, enter the asset details, and click Save. That's how you add more assets to Google Ads campaigns. Thanks for watching.